Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to rent cars on the Korean Air application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First, open the app on your phone, then tap on the More button down below in the right side corner, scroll down and tap on Hotel and Car Rentals, and then you will be directed to a page where you need to click on Car Rentals, and then you should select one of these options down below, either Hertz or rentalcars.com. So you should tap one of these and click on Confirm. Then you will be directed to this website where you should select the pickup location. So type it into the search bar at the top, select the pickup date and then the drop-off date. Tap on search after selecting the driver's age, and in a few seconds you will be able to browse among the available cars. Here you can see them, so tap on the relevant one that you find interesting and click on the View Deal button down below to see what it contains. Here you can see the extras. You can add insurance to it, and tap on the Go to Book button if you would like to book it with or without insurance. Here you can see what the pack contains, and then you can finalize the process of renting the car by adding your details, then selecting the payment information and then confirm it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.